Most people find it difficult to stand up for people they don't know, even if they can tell something bad is happening. We wanted to know if anybody would step in to help a young girl who was being put down by her friends. Our hypothesis was that we would get some kind of negative reaction from the people around us. This is the experiment.
People over there, look, there's people over there.
Hello. This is take one.
Okay.
I don't know what to do now, so here's Zoe.
Oh my god, I'm so good.
Really?
That's what.
You could try. I don't know. I mean, if you, like, you could if you wanted to. Like, I don't want her to waste your time.
Whatever you're comfortable with, then I got no problem. That's what we're here for.
We might as well. I mean, it's like class resort, so I hate that.
Really?
I mean, do you think it looks good?
I thought it did.
I don't know. I don't like the shoulders. Nothing here is looking good on you.
Just ask a stylist at checkout
You can like try somewhere else, I guess. Okay. We'll go to JCPenney because like this isn't working. I don't know. I'm not feeling it.
Hello, psych class. So, I know it looks like our experiment was just about nothing, but what actually happened is that most of the footage we filmed was on my phone, and my phone will just not turn on. It's broken, there's something wrong with it, so we couldn't recover most of the footage we have. Luckily, we still had a little bit that we just showed you from Zoe's phone. So, I'm about to explain what really the experiment was supposed to be and what was supposed to happen. We went into the store, and we had Maddie just be rude. Like, she was supposed to be rude to me, so it seemed like, that I was going in there, and I looked really uncomfortable. I was, like, very self-conscious, and she was just putting me down worse and worse. And we wanted to see if we could get a reaction out of the saleswomen that were there. Now, we were in the store for probably at least an hour trying to get a reaction out of them, with me trying on different things and Maddie just putting me down, saying bad things about whatever I was trying on, basically saying that nothing would look good on me. And we really couldn't get that big of a reaction out of the women there. Like, we could tell that they were upset at Maddie and that they were, like, confused as to why she was being so mean to me, but we couldn't get them to outwardly step in and do something about it. Eventually, we just stopped the experiment then, and we left the store. We came back in and explained that it was an experiment to these women, and we basically interviewed them, and they explained to us why they couldn't step in. Here it is.
Okay, so what did you guys think about it? Like, what were your first reactions when I first walked in? I know I saw your face when I responded to your question.
You were on the floor and I was not.
Well, the first time, like, when you walked in, I just thought, oh, okay, they're like a group of girls looking for something. But usually when we do get, like, a group of, like, teenage girls, they're usually just in here browsing, and then they, like, leave. So then, like, after a while, I was like, what in the world? And you were, like, trying, like, I couldn't, like, get anything out of you. And then, like, when you were acting with her, I was just like, that girl is so mean. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, why is she being so mean? I was like, usually friends, like, they want to, I understand you want to let your friends, like, look good and make sure they look good, but I was like, she's doing it in a weird way.
Yeah.
So, and then it just all went from there, and I was like, something's weird. And then I was like, I feel bad, because I don't know if, like, you couldn't find anything, and I feel like you had a friend who just kept telling you that no matter what you tried on, you looked terrible. And I was like, oh, I want to help you. So that's how I felt.
Yes. Truthfully, we communicate our headsets to help facilitate getting you what you need, essentially. And I said, for that girl, I said, I just want to call her back in here and buy her her outfit for a choir concert because her friends are treating her so badly. And it was very distressing for me. And I mean, as part of my job, like, it doesn't matter how our customers act. Like, I just have to try and do the best for Grace, regardless. So.
Yeah.
It was a challenge.
It was like, God, I was like, what is going on?
Yeah, it was definitely a challenge.
Were you ever, like, angry? Like, did you want to say something to her?
In my mind, tactfully, you know, I have to kind of navigate those, and so does Kelsey, navigate those situations as tactfully as we can. And when, you know, it's our job to just build Grace up and say, like, is what's good about her.
Right. Yeah, and we like actually do get that a lot where, like, we'll even have, like, a mother and daughter in here where the daughter's trying on clothes and the mother is like, no, like you look terrible, and like we just have to kind of ignore that, their opinion, and just tell them like because like this is what we do, like we try to dress people and just make them feel good and be happy with what they're buying and give them truthful, honest like opinions. And so
Absolutely.
yeah, we just sometimes want to be like, but we have to watch what we do and
Absolutely,
say.
because
so.
everybody's opinion is valid, and that's usually a friend or a family member of the person who might be being torn down. So as much as we want to say like,
girl, and I was like, I don't know. Yeah. No, we weren't mad. We were just like, what's going on?
And then also part of our job is to prevent theft. And so when something odd like that is going on and people are moving in packs, you know, what we do in that situation is just amp up our service a little bit more.
Yeah, so we weren't trying to be like creepy either and like following you around.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good luck.
And what were you guys' names?
Courtney.
Courtney?
And Kelsey.
Kelsey. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night, guys.
You too.